The Azzaro Wanted by Night is a spicy and smoky fragrance that's perfect for the man who wants to be noticed. The scent is made up of tobacco, cinnamon, and cedar wood, which gives it a cool and sexy vibe. This is a great choice for the man who likes to keep his personal space private. The bottle is elegant and understated. It looks like a fully loaded gun chamber with a bullet shot over the top of it. I love how unique this packaging is. The scent itself has a very strong tobacco presence in it. It's like breathing in a Cuban cigar at first spray. It's not too sweet or too sour. It just smells like what you'd expect from one. Smoky and spicy notes with hints of cedar wood and even something slightly sweet underneath all that smoky goodness. You could wear this one anywhere because there aren't any specific scents associated with this one. Instead, there's just an overall feeling of cool. If you're looking for something different, then try this one out.